You didn't prevent it, you didn't recognize it in time, and you've hit this level of like, whoa, I'm really in a bad spot. The biggest thing is start to pause immediately and make time for yourself, making sure that you give yourself permission to rest, as Evelyn said earlier, whatever that might be, reading a book, taking a nap, not feeling guilty about taking that nap, and asking for help. Evelyn, which one's hardest for you?
I think asking for help,
Yeah.
and I would say that that goes for most people. You
Yeah.
know, I think our clients who we talk to, I think that that part is, I think for all of us, we want to do it all, and having to delegate or ask for help, it's difficult,
Yeah.
right? Sometimes we question our own ability to do things, but it's a good thing. I think it's a good thing. People around us, they want to help.
Yeah.
And when we reciprocate, offer our help as well, right? It's an exchange. So I
Yeah.
think that one, it's difficult, but it's doable, right? It's a good practice to have.
Yeah, I will say that asking for help is mine because it's I real shortly I was in therapy session a couple years ago, and he leaned in and I was, talking about all these things or whatever, and he says, "Wow, you're just the only one that's uniquely equipped to handle life." And I kind of was like, "I know, right?" He's like, "No, no, no, I'm being sarcastic." Like you're not the only one that can handle life. Like everybody struggles, everybody needs help. You're not perfect at it. And guess what? If they need help, so do you. And so
Exactly.
just remembering, I know for me, it's just admitting. And it's not even like a pride thing. It's almost like I don't want to be a burden. And so just
Right.
what Evelyn said, it's not a burden for other people who care about you to be able to help you. Well, I know.